Hey guys, best neighbors. Today I'm gonna show you my bird, Tum Tum.
Yeah,
He can escape. Oh, he can escape a
He's in
cage.
his attack position, dude. Seriously.
Let's get something that he can like.
Yeah.
He's fun.
See, look now. Okay, this is my bird, and now, and oh my god!
What?
Look what the bird did to my bag.
Cool. He's in the prison. Good. Guys, he can escape the prison. Oh, go! Oh gosh. Dude, that guy was like.
Watch it, watch it.
He's putting a stick. Oh, yes! Yes! That's awesome! Hey, bring your controller. Yes. Then let's do it on him. Remember the controller?
Oh yeah, let's try this.
Guys, this Black Ops is mine.
Yeah.
Uncharted is his, but the Black Ops is mine.
Where's my controller?
Black
Let's
Ops
see.
3.
Let's use a light bulb.
Where is he? Oh, he's there.
I'm gonna use a piece of chocolate.
Oh, look, he's looking at us like a dino.
I'm gonna die.
The birdie. Network. Okay, guys, this is his awesome kitchen.
It's
This
terrible.
one
It's terrible.
with this stuff.
Panic!
With a killing murder knife. Okay.
Doggy. Come on.
Yeah.
I think it's time to die.
Yeah. Hey, dude, they should also see. Get off, they're being the side now.
Okay, let's leave him alone like this, and then we'll come back later. Let's just do something.
Yeah, guys.
Let's just and
Let's
then-
just do something.
yeah. Let's do some water bottles. Something.
Where's the bottom? So, it's outside.
Okay, let's go.
What should we do? Oh, to check if we.
First shot. You're covering the lighting, bro. You're covering the lighting. Oh, then you have to upload part 2. I thought you might upload part 2.
No. My turn.
Yeah, what were you gonna do anyways? Hey guys,
Hey, guys, look at this.
he's gonna do it because he's super awesome. You know, one time he did it on my back, like when I was laying straight. Sorry, the guys, the videos are going crazy. Yikes.
Hey, let's go to the Tum Tum.
Yeah, let's see if he's.
Maybe he don't want to escape.
No, he wants to. Not yet.
Let's have fun with him. Let's troll him.
Guys, do not handle a bird or like something this will happen, like the cut you he's got bit. I'm gonna feed him a paper.
Guys, you want to go in?
He's literally gonna bite your iPad, don't do that.
Nice. He bit it. He liked it.
Bite it. It's harmless.
Dude, heck.
He's scared.
Yeah.
It's harmless.
He's scared of it. Basketball thrown in.
No.
So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share.
No. He didn't escape yet, so.
No need.
Okay, we'll make a part 2.
Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.